Cole Chevrolet is a leading repair facility located in Bluefield, West Virginia. We are a direct repair facility for most insurance companies. We have been selected as an approved repair facility in the insurance industry. Customers are able to bring their car to us knowing we provide the highest quality of work with a faster claims process. We are an ICAR Gold Class body shop. The Gold Class recognition is the highest role-relevant training achievement recognized by the collision repair industry. It is estimated that only 20% of repair shops currently meet the rigorous Gold Class standard. Our commitment to our customers is what separates us from the rest.
I'm Troy Asbury. I've been employed at Cole Chevy for 17 years. When I was younger, I always had a passion for working on vehicles. Started out in high school at Tazewell County Career and Technical Center. Started out working here part-time. Ended up becoming an auto body technician for several years and had several chances for advancement. And I'm currently now working as an automotive estimator. Cole Chevrolet Body Shop has given me the opportunity to provide for my family for many years now. It's great working for someone who is so community-minded and cares about his employees. Those are some of the reasons why I've stayed at Cole Chevrolet for 17 years.
As an employee of Cole Chevrolet Body Shop, you become part of a family-oriented and goal-driven team. We offer industry training to our employees to keep them updated on the latest technology in the collision repair world.
Hey, I'm Mike Wellman. I've been working at Cole Chevrolet Collision Center for 18 years. I started in the collision repair industry by attending Mercer County Boat Tech Center. After graduating, I started here at Cole Chevrolet Collision Center in 2001 as a body shop helper, just basically sweeping floors, helping other technicians with jobs that they were doing, and doing some warranty repairs as well. Cole Chevrolet has provided me continuous industry training, which has allowed me to become an ICAR certified platinum technician. In 2018, I was promoted from the body shop to the front office as a collision repair estimator.
Cole Chevy Body Shop offers competitive salaries, complete benefits package including 401k, vacation, industry training, and health insurance. If this opportunity excites you, come by Cole Chevrolet and ask for me, Anthony, for your confidential interview.